Number 22, national defense and electronic books are similar in that both are blank, but they differ in that national defense is this, while electronic books are not. And so this is once again testing our knowledge of excludable and non-rival. Okay, or rival. Excludable, non-excludable, rival, non-rival. And so they're similar in that they are both non-rival in consumption. Okay, so we're going to, like, these two are possible answers right now. And the answer is that, like, the use, someone else using the same electronic book, like if you're both reading the same book, it doesn't affect your reading. And national defense, just because I have it doesn't mean that you don't. And so these are both non-rival. But they differ in that national defense is non-excludable, while electronic books are not, because you can exclude someone from getting an electronic book. However, national defense, you can't just allow someone to invade my section of Burke Center.